Alright, guys. So we're here and we are bored because of this coronavirus. So we've got the Treasure X Alien Eggs, which is a spin-off of the Treasure X Alien Dissections. And that's what it looks like unwrapped. But then we have this checklist right here with the instructions, which you unwrap and break open your alien ooze egg. Then you grab your egg and begin to squeeze, and then it should pop out and reverse the mini alien, or reveal the mini alien, sorry. And then you remove the ooze from the egg and you'll find a treasure. Or did you find the ultimate crystal, which is what we're hoping for. Then you gotta squeeze the sides of the mini alien to suck up the alien ooze. That's kind of cool. And then you squeeze out all the ooze through the alien. And then these are all the possible ones we can get. Right here. Let me focus in a little better so you guys can see it. Okay. So we have got the brain blobs, tubor, brangor, or floss soup. We've got the spicrons, drool tool, spictops, and slimicle. We've got the glitch biters, sugal slug, borox, and suckator. And we got the CREEPERGROGS, guzzbug, dripgrig, and spitzel. And then, you know, all the treasures you can find, and then the real alien gem. Alright, so let's test this thing out.
What that?
And it's squishy. See? Squishy.
Okay, then pop it.
Alright, pop it over the table. Oh my god, get closer to the table. Oh! Oh!
It's someone blue.
Oh gosh.
Poor boy.
Oh.
It's poor boy.
Oh my gosh, we gotta get him out.
Somehow. Oh, he died.
We gotta squeeze it. Squeeze it down towards the table so it doesn't go all over the place. Need help?
Yeah, I need help. Oh! The whole noise. I see the treasure, I think. I don't know.
Oh my gosh, this thing is...
Untitled boy.
I see the alien. You see the alien, guys?
Yeah.
He's just not one.
I see the treasure, I think. Or maybe at the shrine.
Oh my gosh, he won't come out.
Oh!
Ah! Ah!
Oh, there!
Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! Ew! Ew! It's like a giant booger. Oh no! Oh, there's more! Oh! Oh my gosh! And then you gotta go like in through here. Ew! Oh! Don't do that yet! Don't do that yet. We gotta find the treasure. Hold on. This is disgusting, guys.
Oh no! He ate it.
Where's the treasure? Is it buried? Oh, get him! Is it buried in here? Oh god. Oh, guys.
Did I eat shrine?
I am from an alien planet. Alright, well, we did not get the gem.
I found the alien planet.
We got this thing right there. Oh, I can't put my hands on my camera because they're all gunky. I don't know what that thing is. Hold on. Oh, we got the crystal coil is what we got. Alright.
What's the alien name?
Oh, gross. You got it all over the place. Yeah.
Wait, this is on my fingers.
Okay, so now we're supposed to...
Set it up.
Okay, so... No, you gotta... Look. Look. You gotta squeeze him. Oh, that's gross, guys. Look.
I died.
Hold on. You gotta squeeze him and then... Suck it up.
Oh!
See? See, look. Look, it's sucking, guys. It's still sucking it up. Look, see?
Yep.
There we go. Hold on, no. We gotta let him get it all.
I want to do it. Did I do it?
And then watch. Ready, guys? See, that's what he looks like. We got the Oh, who is he though? Hold on. What does he look like?
This.
He looks like that? He's not on here.
Let me see.
Oh, wait. Let me see. Oh, guys, okay. See, he's 2-bore. He's this one right here. But the color is a little off. He looks more blue than he does
Yeah, that's
purple.
Let me see. Okay, they probably have blue. They probably purple
Yeah.
and red. But blue
Yeah.
red.
All right,
What
so
is-
that's the egg.
What the orange slime?
In all honesty, the egg is a lot cooler than the whole alien dissection one. So, all right. Peace out.